Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to install soft faux locks because we're paying $200 for faux locks. Why? There's no need when we can do it ourselves. All it's going to take is a couple of hours of your time and it'll save you anywhere between $200 and $250. So we're going to go ahead and hop right into this video.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. I'm talking about figuring out for yourself.
You're interested in videos based around beauty, mostly fashion. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. I went ahead and washed my hair last night. So because this is considered a protective style, you definitely want to wash your hair. Make sure you do a deep condition because your hair is going to be up anywhere from 4 to, I leave mine up anywhere between 6 and 8 weeks. I don't like to apply a lot of heat to my hair, so I did not blow dry. What I did was I put it in individual braids, and then this morning when I got up, I had an errand that I needed to run, so that's how I ended up with these two French braids. So that's how I stretched my hair. So you're going to need some duck clips. You are going to need a crochet needle. You're also going to need a rat tail comb. You are going to need some shine and, shine and jam. You can get any color that you want. So I'm doing a peekaboo look. So I'm going to use red down at the bottom. So that when I pull my hair up into a ponytail, you'll see the red in the back. And the red number is T530. And then my natural hair color is 1B. So I got 2 packs of this and then 1 pack of these. All right, and then you're also going to need spring twist hair. So I got 2 packs. I got it in the color 1, but that's okay. We'll be all right. It's not too far off. So I got this in the color. It should have been 1B. And then I also got the spring twist hair in the same color as that red, which is T530. Okay, and then you're also going to need some kind of edge control. I like the Cream of Nature edge control. So we're gonna go ahead and start. I do want to do, maybe I'm thinking small to medium parts, and be careful when you comb your hair. Normally I would start in the back parting my hair, but I do want to start by parting out at least the part that I want the color red. So let's go in and part that part out. I don't want them to be too big, but I don't want them to be, you know, they don't necessarily have to be completely uniform is what I'm saying. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start braiding my hair in the back, and then I'll come back once I get towards the front and I'll show you guys how to braid it and all of that good stuff, okay? All right, guys, so as you all can see, I've done the back part, a little bit of the sides. So I'm gonna show you all how I'm basically parting the hair and everything like that around the front so you can see. So I already kind of went in and parted it a little bit. Like I said, your parts don't have to be 1000% straight. It definitely does not. But you do want to, you know, kind of get as even of a row as you possibly can, because I mean it's faux locks. So you want, I kind of like the little messy kind of look, you know, so they look a little bit more realistic. So we're gonna just go, like I said, all the way around, and then I'm gonna go in with the edge control, and I'm basically just gonna go around that part with the edge control, kind of like, you know how your mama used to grease your scalp? I don't know, do y'all still do that? Don't use grease like the blue. Y'all remember Blue Magic? Who remember Blue Magic? Leave a comment in the comment box if y'all remember that. And what I do is I go with the back of my rat tail comb. You guys see that? So it's not super even, but it ain't like, you know, super uneven either. All right, so when I go into, so now what I'm gonna do is part individual braids, but y'all, I'm real particular about my edges, so I leave those out because I'm real particular about these edges, baby. So you just want to part your hair into little individual, you know, braids. And I'm taking about this much. And you know what? I probably can even make it a little bit smaller, a little bit less hair. And then remember I told y'all we need a clip. So we're going to clip that hair to the back so that hair doesn't get in with this hair. And then we are now going to take some of our shine and jam. So then you just want to kind of take your rat tail comb and just don't comb too hard. Rake that product right into that piece. And then you just want to braid it. That's all. You know how to do a braid. I will hope that you can braid. So you just want to braid that. Alright guys, so this is the last section that we're working on right now. Thank you Jesus. Because I'm tired. My arms are hurting. But that's okay. We're saving some money. So what you want to do is take your edges and just kind of rake them down. We are going to part it. Get us a little section going. Maybe a little bit smaller. Alright. We're going to take this heel apart and clip it over to the side. Okay. And we are going to again take our jam and shine and apply that to this section. So you just want to take your 3 parts, tug it just a little bit just to get it tight up against that base. A couple of strokes in, and now you can get a little bit loose with it. You don't have to be so tight on it. Alright guys, I look raggedy, but I am back. So I have been at it now for about the past, this is day 2 because I had to go to work yesterday. So that's our progress so far. So we had our wits end. We have these last 3 left. Alright, so what you're gonna do is take one of your faux locks. Mind you, it have a hole on it on the end of it. That's what you're gonna crochet it through. So we are going to now take our crochet needle. I am going to zoom you all in. So you are going to take your crochet hook, hook it not mid braid, but at the top of the braid, just not all the way through the base. Okay. So we are going to take our crochet needle, hook it there through the braid. So it's hooked, y'all see, through the braid and not the base, because you don't want to cause too much tension like on your scalp or anything like that. Take your crochet needle, hook the bottom part on there, close that up, and just pull it right through the braid. Go up with your needle, take the bottom part of your crochet or your faux lock, put it in, close it, pull it through, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you get it attached. So you just want to pull it. Now you see our real hair is out, and then this, right? So then what you're going to do is take your crochet needle again, thread it through your faux lock, thread it up, thread it through, take your real hair, attach that on, close it up, and just pull it through. So now it's going to be on the inside of your faux lock. Okay, so in that way you're putting away all of your ends and everything like that, and you just want to keep on going up and through. Go up, attach your faux lock, attach your real hair, and then pull it down until it's all tucked away inside of your faux lock. No hair left behind, even if it's a little bit. I want all of my hair tucked away. So now you guys see? So now really you can wear it like this if you want to. But to make it look a little bit more realistic, I'm going to take some of that other crochet hair that I showed you guys, or the curly hair. It came like this in the pack. I folded it in half. And then I just cut it. Okay. So now I'm going to take some of that hair. Just a little bit. You don't need much. Just about that much. And that may even still be too much. So I'm going to get a little bit of that away. And then you want to stretch it out. So now we are going to take curly crochet hair. About this much. That's all that you need, not much. You're going to fold it on your finger like this. Just like that. A little bit at the top. And then you're going to, now you can go at the top. Crochet it through the base of your braid. Attach the crochet hair, pull it through. Take that off. So now you are going to just take the bottom part, just take a little piece, like this here much, hold it here, and then you're just going to start wrapping, right? But not too tight. So then the first two, you're going to just tug it just a little, not much. And then you're going to take this part and just kind of spread it out a little bit. Okay? And then you're going to loosely wrap it all the way down. And then what I do is hold my thumb at the bottom to kind of hold it in place. Until you make it all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to have a little, or you may have a little knot. You're going to have a little piece left. Wrap that all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Wrap it all the way around. Take your two fingers, and there we have our faux loc. Alright guys, so I am done. Here is the finished product. And right now it's I'm really tender hair, guys, so it's a little tight for me right now to actually like put up into a ponytail or to kind of style them or anything like that. So, you know, here's basically the look. I'm gonna turn around so that you all can kind of sort of get that peekaboo feel that I was kind of going for. So give me 1 second, let me try my best to get them up. What I'm gonna do is go in with a little bit of oil, grease my parts a little bit, and this is my own special oil that I make. And then I also go in with some mousse, and this is from the Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse 24-hour live, whatever. So I am going to go off camera, get myself all dialed up, lay my baby hairs, stretch my neck, make sure my arms still work, make sure my legs still work, because I'm tired. Total, this hairstyle took about, if I would have just stayed straight with it, it probably would have taken about a good 7-8 hours. something like that. But I had to leave, leave, go to work, come back home. I worked on it a little bit this morning when I got off work, and then finished it up after work. This is Editing Judy coming to you. In this video, I was unable to return to close out the video because I was not feeling my best that day. Or the next day, actually. I was going to come back the next day and close out the video because after I got done doing my hair, I had a banging headache. So I wasn't feeling good that day. The next day, life started life. And so, of course, I didn't come back and formally close out that video. So I wanted to come here, formally close out that video. I am going to show you a video here of what the final product looked like after I kind of like did my makeup. As far as cleaning my hair, I used the dry shampoo from who did I use it from? Way dry shampoo. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and purchase that if you want to keep it moisturized. I just used a leave-in conditioner again from Way, but you can use whatever leave-in conditioner that you have, just spray it on and that'll refresh them. And then I did use like oil that I make myself for my hair growth. Okay, the takedown was very easy. So what you'll have to do is just cut it, you know, a little bit below where you know that your hair will stop, and then everything basically unravels. The hair around it unravels, and no problem with taking them out. So again, if you have any questions about this video, any questions about the tutorial, leave them in the comment box. I respond to all questions, comments, concerns, any questions that you all have. Make sure you leave them in the comment box. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting my channel, and meet me back here next Friday or this upcoming Friday for Fashion Friday, but also Vlogmas 12 days from December the 1st through the 12th. I'm going to keep reminding y'all about that because I want you guys to set your calendars, and I also want for you to press that notification button. Press the notification button and press the subscribe button so that you are subscribed and notified every time I start posting those videos, because Vlogmas, y'all, it's going to be lit. I got some very good stuff coming y'all way. So make sure you guys come back next week. And again, I do appreciate you all coming back every week to support my channel. All right, guys. And check out these videos. In the meantime, while we waiting on Vlogmas, check these videos out. Okay? I got a whole bunch of them. These videos coming out now. And make sure you guys are checking out my shorts as well. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys next week.